Do you often open the same website every day instead of opening Chrome and typing the link again and again? You can add that web page to the home screen just like an app. And today I will show you how to do it on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Google Chrome, then open the website you want to make shortcut. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Add to Home Screen. You can rename the shortcut if you want. Then tap Add. On the widget pop-up, tap Add or drag the widget to the desired space on the home screen. As you can see, now the icon is ready. Just one tap and it will open directly, faster and easier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.